sweetheart.
I would like to order this online. So this is Outback equipment, and they've got a sale on this hatch at the moment. Now our hatch hole is actually 660, so we will have to fill it in a little. But if you know big hatches, they're expensive. But we need to measure, it says it suits roof thickness 25 to 70. So I just need Pete to measure that so I can order that.
That's 70.
Okay, so it's 70 on the nose.
Yep.
Beautiful. So I'm going to order one of those. Let's calculate shipping. So it's $0 for standard shipping or $20 for express shipping. I think it'll be fine. I'd rather save myself 20 bucks. I bought this one, 2 of these. And it's from a genuine shop. So, and that was $80 instead of 85. And it was free shipping, whereas this wasn't going to be free shipping either. So, saved a little bit of money. Now to wait. Hey, that's me. I'm Kelsey, and this is my family. We travelled a lap around Australia in 2019 in a camping trailer, but little did we realise how rewarding and filling it is to live a life on the road. We were missing our families and needed to rethink our travelling home. As much as we loved our trailer, we needed something more homey. Meet our 21-foot 1986 Windsor Caravan wild ride. Hit subscribe, grab a beer, put your feet up, and relax. We got some mail. Mail. These were, I filmed them. I purchased these ones on eBay. These are identical. They should have a fan. They have a 12-volt fan. Elijah, darling, I'm talking to the camera. They should have a 12-volt. Should have, because I'm opening it now. This is what it looks like coming out. To open it, I can't because it's laying down. One of these switches would be for the fan, one of them would be for the lights. There's the mesh. That's removable, so I think you can replace it if you like. This is the part that goes on the inside, up like that on your roof. So let's just put that over there.
There's another one.
This is what you're looking at on the inside. And then there's the cords. And there's the roof. Oh, I thought for a second that it was broken. It's actually like a little divot in it. Look at that. So that's metal. That's plastic. The only thing is that it doesn't come with like a blind to shut it, but I'm actually going to make something that goes over the top of it. Some mail. What did we get, Bab? How about we get some scissors? So this was on sale from 400 and something down to 200 and something. So we got this one. Now they have it in white and they have it in crystal. The white was sold out, but they still had the crystal, which is this one. We didn't really care much for the colour of it. Can you please go down to your room for a minute? Okay. Oh, goodness. Okay, so it's got thingies, which I don't know what they are exactly. Really, enough. So this is 50 by 50. And what we'll do to fill the gap is probably inside around it, just add some timber. Okay, so it's got, this is the screen, and then that side is the blind. And then you push it open. Ugh. It's kind of hard to demonstrate without having it on and how it works, but I think you can get the idea. Hello.
G'day.
Reckon you can set that up so it can see some things that you're doing? Yeah. It's already recording. You can talk.
I know.
Oh, have you already connected it all?
No, I just gotta do up the little
We'll just sit it down so we can see what your hands are doing.
this little U-bolt. So I just welded those on. These little hooks
Where's it going?
to run that stainless wire all the way to the front handbrake. And then just gonna tighten it and do these U-bolts up. Might need to get an open end spanner. You got to do them up evenly, kinda. But now that I got the back one up, I can ram this one home. But I reckon that should do. But they got to be really tight, I reckon, otherwise it's going to slip. So I'll go to the front and I'll pull the handbrake on and see what happens. How'd it go? I think it worked. We have brakes.
As well? Of the pole or just on the outside of the pole?
No, just the outside.
Very cool. Fuck, it's cold again.
Hey guys, van update. I have been to Bunnings. And I got some timber. We are pretty much done with the steel in the chassis. I am at a point now where I think we can paint it.
We've got our water tanks. We've got two 110 litre grey water tanks and one... No. We've got two drinking water tanks and one grey water tank that come with fittings. I won't get too close, it's got our address on it. They are 110, so we'll have 220 litres of drinking water under the van.
Plus shower water.
Yeah, shower or whatever. Whatever water. Just gonna have a quick sneaky peek at one of them. Two occupied hands. There you go. Have you decided where you're going to put them yet? On the van?
I think so. They're a lot wider than the Kamek ones, I think.
They were the same dimensions.
Are they?
Online, yeah. They had the same dimensions. The only difference was this one had different fittings in a different spot. So when will we get these on?
When will you get these on?
We got... Where's that go? You'd think they'd send instructions. Probably is instructions on the website.
Oh, so the cap goes up to that.
Oh. Okay, we're really sick of looking at a van that's unfinished, so Pete's working on that right now. We have had a week of rain and cold. We are in Victoria. We're gonna put the trusses in, and that's what we're doing. Peter cut up all the trusses already to size, and he's off doing that now. It's cold. Holy shit. It is freezing. What are you doing? Have you got one up?
No, I haven't. Because the end one's like...
Oh shit. Sorry.
The end one's like a little bit different, I think, because it
curves, yeah.
So I might have to... I'm just cutting to length and screwing the brackets on, and then I might just take like a little bit off the top.
Yeah.
But I might get it up there and just get you on the outside, because it goes in, but it might just push the roof up a little bit.
Holy crap, it's cold. That's freezing.
I need a workbench in here.
A workbench in here. Just grab the piece of ply and put it in here. This is day 2 of Peter putting the trusses in. I have been crook for over a week now, and I'm not a lot of help, so I'm just working on the computer. The kids are just playing, but let's go and check out what he's done.
So this is for the roof of the van. So we're putting the new trusses in, and while I'm at it, I'm just making up new manways. So, like that. Once I square it up a bit, because I'm up to putting these trusses in where this hatch goes. So I'm putting those, but like I wasn't quite sure how far apart to put the trusses because they'll run next to it.
Mm-hmm. So if you start with that, then you'll know.
Yeah. So I just made this up so I know the width of the next 2 trusses.
Hole for that hatch there. So I put all of these in yesterday. It looks great. Still gonna add another one here and another one here for the box that's gonna go around that hatch. With the old trusses wood, we're gonna replace any yucked up bits. Yucked up. Any damaged to the other frame, like here. So yes, we're getting there. Slowly we're getting there. Yes, water's getting in.
Take that. Like if I just kept...
Yeah, it wouldn't fit.
It wouldn't have fit, so I just had to make those 2 trusses a little bit wider so that...
What's going on in here?
Cutting holes in it.
Oh no. Hatch number 3.
Yeah.
Nice. And that one's for the shower.
Yeah.
Shower and toilet. Well, it is now. Now there's no choice. That's where it's going. You've got a hole in the roof. Well, once you've done that, that's all of the ceiling done.
Yeah. I just wanted to get that knocked over.
Yeah. And then obviously the bits around the edges of that, and get them in, and whatever you've got. What have you got to use to seal it to the roof? What do you use to seal it to the roof?
Yes.
No, the actual hatches.
Oh, silicone.
Silicone. Yeah. Mmm.
This is dodgy.
What are you doing? What are you doing that for?
Those things. So those little bits slide right in.
Scoop Steve. You guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it for this episode. Next episode, Peter gets the water tanks in and we start working on some of the framing that needed to be replaced. All right, cheers.